All right, that was my romaine lettuce head that we chopped up. I'm next bringing in my 9x13 Pyrex dish, and we are just gonna add a layer of that romaine lettuce right on top. All right, now that we have our choice of lettuce on the bottom of our dish, I'm next coming in with my green peas that I thawed. I left them in the fridge, and we're gonna add this whole bag of peas right into our dish. I absolutely love this super easy, healthy dish. It's great for, you know, any occasion, a Sunday dinner, a weekday dinner, whatever you want, and it's delicious. So we have those peas there. The next thing we're gonna layer up is our onions. And this is one onion that we diced up. I'm using the red onion because it tastes the best raw, but you can use whatever onion you like. This is raw diced onion that we're just putting on the top of our peas and our lettuce. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful and bright that is. Next thing we're gonna add is our celery. This is 3 small celery sticks that we just diced up as well, and we're getting that right on there. Adds such a beautiful crunch to this gorgeous dish. And also we're just keeping it green, keeping it light, keeping it healthy. Our next layer is gonna take a little bit of construction, so we're gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna grab a small bowl in my little spatula, and in our bowl, we're gonna add our mayo, and we are gonna add 1.5 cups of mayo into our small bowl. You can use Miracle Whip if that's what you prefer, but I love the Duke's mayo. It tastes good, and it goes amazing with our easy dish. Okay, that looks like 1.5 cups to me. The only other thing we're gonna add to this is some hot honey. Now, you do not need to use hot honey. I chose hot honey. And you're gonna add this to taste. So add as much as you like, stir it, and then try it. The recipe does call for regular honey, but I wanted a little bit of heat, a little bit of flavor, just to be adventurous. Mayo is very, you know, bland, so adding a little bit of heat to this is just gonna make it that much better. With that honey, we can bring back our Pyrex dish, and we're gonna layer this right on top of all of that goodness. Oh my, oh my. All right, once we get that bowl cleaned, we're just gonna spread that from edge to edge. It's okay if it gets a little mixed in. It is supposed to be layered on top, but you know, life isn't perfect, so if it's not perfectly layered, that's okay. All right, now we're bringing in our cheese. We're doing the Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese. We're gonna go ahead and take this out of its wrapper, and it is time to shred our cheese right on top of our salad. Yep, that's what we're making. We're making a 7-layer salad. This is a classic in my house. You can use whatever cheese you like. I just love the cheddar, but you can use a mozzarella, a Colby Jack, a pepper jack. But we're just gonna get a nice layer of this cheese shredded right on there. All right, get that last little bit of cheese on there. We used about half of that block. Go ahead and just kind of get that nice and spread out. That looks absolutely delicious. Now our last and final ingredient, bacon bits. Oh, this is just gonna complement all of those other flavors. And then our salad is ready. Such a great salad, so easy to make, so healthy, and it's scrumptious. Okay, that looks beautiful. Our 7 layers. Let's go ahead and check them out. We got the lettuce, the peas, the onion, the celery, the mayo honey mixture, that cheese, and the bacon. Ooh. Now you can pop this in the fridge and save it for tomorrow or whatever, but this is for right now in my house. Some salad spoons, but you know, I'm doing the best I can. And that's all I can do. Okay, 7 layers of deliciousness. Give it a good little mix if you want, but this is gonna be tasty. Oh, perfect bite. It's even better than I remembered.